Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this PowerShell command. Run these commands in PowerShell. So open PowerShell as an administrator. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, run the last command. Now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Once done, now you can check. Still not working? The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now the scan will take some time, and this will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update. That is KB5086672. Click on it. Now, in Windows Update, if you see retry option, anything, you can hit retry and then check. Now, let me translate. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Check the Windows version. In my case, the version is 25H2. And then check your system type. Go to system. Scroll down. Go to about option. And over here, check your system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So check your system type. For me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Click on download, and then you will click on KB5086672. Click on it, and then once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can say fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working? The last step is to next step is to close all third-party applications. Like if you have if you have a third-party antivirus program, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, enable your antivirus program once again. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat or any other anti-cheat program, Like if you have Riot Vanguard running, you can uninstall these applications, restart your computer, and then check. Next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.